Hi friends, I am Praveen Chala, cricket coach. Today we are learning about the guard. The way you have to take the guard when you reach in the popping crease, that is very important. And might you have seen that when the batsman in the international matches, you have seen that when the batsman coming in the popping crease for the batting, at the beginning, as he reach in the popping crease, then he is doing something, this sign, this sign, this sign, this sign, and doing this action with the shoes. What exactly he is doing? Actually, my dear students, my dear lovely students, they are taking the guard. Guard means where exactly you have to stand, or on the which place you have to stand for the batting. It means that is the guard. So that today we are going to learn. Now imagine if suppose I reach in the popping crease just now for the batting, then I'll check my leg stump, middle stump and off stump. But usually what the batsmen are doing, they are liking to stand on the leg stump. Then you are getting the space to play the shots towards the off stump. Okay. Our second major thing, that is middle stump. Now when they are taking the middle stump guard, if suppose you are not able to play the shots or able to reach near the ball, at that time what they are doing, they are taking the middle stump. Then automatically when the ball is going to the off, then it will be easy to reach the batsman behind of that exact off stump line ball. So this is very important. Now see the way you have to take the guard. This is means leg stump. One means this is the 1 number stump from my leg side, from my side. Okay, I am telling one leg. One leg means leg 1. So this way I am adjusting. Umpire will tell me that take it further, forward or backward. Then I have to adjust and exactly I have to take the line. Then the umpire will say you, okay, that time you have to draw one line there where the umpire said us to, it is correct your guard, and make this line with your spike shoes. Then it will be identifying line you will create by your shoes. Or in the previous day, the Chandrapal and some West Indies player was using the bells even. They are taking the bells out, just tucking here and making one hole in the popping crease. That was the past. Nowadays, we cannot see that, but you can do that as well. So this is the leg stump guard. I am standing. I got my guard. Now I will, for the complete inning, I will start, or I will stand my batting position on the leg stump. The same way you can have to middle stump guard. Okay. Or suppose you have to identify where is your off stump, you can go for the off stumps as well. So this is complete process of taking the guard in the popping crease. Thank you.